Hey, what's going on? It's Kevin J. Pino. In this video, we're going to talk about the top 5 lessons I've learned from Jim Rohn. Hey, Kevin J. Pino here. Welcome to my channel. Here we like to talk about affiliate marketing, getting an education online, how to make money online, and reviewing my favorite products and services. If you're interested in any of those things and want to learn how to build an online business, anything related to that, make sure you grab the subscribe button, hit the bell notification so you never miss a video. Let's jump right in. Number 1, got my notes here. For things to change, you must change. Think about that. If you want things to change in life, there's one person that has the complete control over doing that, and that's you. That's yourself, right? For things to change, you must change. For things to get better, you got to get better. Don't wish it were easier. Wish you were better. Those are words right from Jim Rohn. Now these are going to all tie together. So number 2, work harder on yourself than you do on your job. Work harder on yourself than you do on your job. What that means is if you invest time in yourself, then you can have something better than just your job. You can have a happy life. If you spend the next 30 years just working at a job, never working on yourself, you could wake up body ruined, mind atrophied, and in a place where you still have to go back to work. And you got to be a greeter at some sort of shopping center because you have to, not because you want to. If you work harder on yourself than you do on your job and make the right decisions and the right moves consistently, you won't have to be a greeter. You can be one because you want to be one. Number 3, you're going to love this. If you like to make money online, if you like to build businesses, if you want a better way of living and want to get something done in life, profits are better than wages. Profits are better than wages. With wages, you can make a living. Next 30 years, grinding it out hour by hour by hour by hour. With wages, you can make a living. With profits, you can make a fortune. Think about it. Invest your time into something that's a profit. You're not working for a fixed amount of dollars an hour. You can see how much you can make in 1 hour with profits. If it's possible to make $10 an hour, why isn't it possible to make $1,000 an hour? Why not? Why is it not an option to hire someone to make that money for you, to leverage your skills and to teach it to someone else to help you make a profit? Why isn't that an option? Because you didn't work on yourself. You didn't go back to lesson 1. For things to change, you must change. You have to work on yourself. You didn't work harder on yourself than you did your job, and now you're making wages for the next 30, 40, 50 years. Number 4, motivation is what gets you started, but habits are what keep you going. It is your habits that drive your success. You have to work on yourself and create good, consistent habits. There's certain things that you have to do day in, day out. Like a religion that you have to do every day to get things done to make a better future happen. You have to create good habits. You brush your teeth, right? Tell me you brush your teeth. I've been working in orthodontics for 7 years. I've seen literally millions of mouths. Please tell me you brush your teeth. He had a great example, a funny joke that he said, and it stuck with me forever. He's like, people say that you got to motivate other people. That guy's kind of lazy. You just got to motivate him. And then he says, that's not true. If you've got an idiot and you motivate him, well, now you got a motivated idiot. You get a bigger problem than what you had before. It comes down to your habits. It's not just motivation. It's that spark that gets you going, and sometimes you need to reinvigorate and get motivated again. But if you create the habits, it's what's going to keep you going, keep you moving forward, developing yourself, developing your personality, developing your personal development, moving on to the next thing. 5, simple, take good notes. Always keep a journal, all right? Other than this, I got this thing back in 2012. What do we got here? What's the first thing I wrote down? What's that? Right there. I was taking notes from Think and Grow Rich. I've had this thing 7 years. That's it. That's it. 7 years. It's a little dent. How many notebooks have you had that have gone by the wayside? How many little pieces of sticky notes that have just disappeared, or Post-its? How many files have gotten lost in computers? Pick one of these up. I'll put it in the description below. And if you want to grab a free ebook, go to kevinjpino.com. You can grab my social media marketing toolkit ebook for free, and I'll follow up with you in an email. Remember to subscribe, like the video if you like it, and then down in the comments below, tell me out of the 5 which is your favorite lesson.